Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your X account private. So to do that, you are going to go to the more section, go to settings and privacy. Here's the before, by the way, like there isn't any lock button. So go to more, go to settings and privacy, go to privacy and safety, and select the audience, media, and tagging. Then you are going to enable protect your posts, and then you're going to select protect. Then when you go back to your profile, as you can see, there's going to be a lock button next to your name. And that is how you can make your account private on X. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!